3 Native American birds that are extinct. Dusky seaside sparrow, Ammospiza nigrescens. This small bird, native to the marshes along the Atlantic coast of Florida, was driven to extinction due to habitat loss from development and mosquito control efforts. The last known individual died in captivity in 1987. Heath hen, Tympanuchus cupido. Once native to the northeastern United States, the heath hen was hunted to near extinction and also faced habitat loss. It became extinct in 1932 when the last individual died on Martha's Vineyard. Ivory-billed woodpecker, Campephalus principalis. Although sightings have been reported as recently as the early 2000s, the ivory-billed woodpecker is generally considered extinct. Extensive logging in the southeastern U.S. destroyed much of its old-growth forest habitat, leading to its likely extinction.